Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to a true automotive enigma that combines history, art, and performance. The Bugatti T57, rebodied by French sculptor Jacques Brown. This rare and unique creation can be found at the Autoworld Museum in Brussels, and it has a story that's as fascinating as the car itself. Imagine, if you will, a pre-war Bugatti chassis transformed by an artist with a vision so futuristic that even today, it still stands out as a masterpiece of automotive art. Now, before we get into the gritty details, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you're into rare and iconic cars, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for more cool stories like this. Go ahead, I'll wait. Click. Perfect. Let's jump in. This special Bugatti T57 was reimagined in 1952 by Jacques Brown, a French sculptor who saw the potential for something truly unique. Using a pre-war chassis, specifically the T57 chassis, number 57645, Brown created a more aerodynamic design that was a far cry from the traditional Bugatti lines of the time. His vision was to craft a car that not only looked futuristic, but also performed better due to the materials used. The body, made of fiberglass, a revolutionary choice for the time, much like the contemporary Corvette, reduced the car's weight by an impressive 250 kilograms compared to the original body. This lighter design didn't just enhance performance, it also provided an entirely different aesthetic. With 16-inch wheels replacing the standard 18-inch ones, the car's look was sleek and streamlined, cutting through the air with a modern grace that would have been unheard of back in the day. Brown's creation was first shown to the public at the 1955 Salon de l'Automobile in Paris, a prestigious event that showcased the cutting edge of automotive design. While the car turned heads and gained significant praise for its innovation, there was one catch: there were no buyers. Brown had crafted two such bodies, one for chassis 57645 and another for chassis NM 57723, hoping that his futuristic design would attract commissions. However, despite the buzz, the car never found a buyer, and the two creations remained unsold. By the 1980s, chassis number 57645, likely the car displayed in Paris, was still hanging on to Brown's fiberglass body, but by 2005 it had been swapped out for a replica of the iconic Bugatti Aerolith body. The Brown body, meanwhile, found a new home on a VW floor pan. What happened to the second car? No one knows for sure, but its legacy lives on in the history books. So, if you ever find yourself in Brussels, be sure to visit the Autoworld Museum and see this incredible piece of automotive art in person. And remember, if you love stories like this about rare cars and history, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's plenty more cool stuff coming your way.